Would you rather have $1 million today or a single penny that doubles every day for a month? The answer might shock you. This isn't just a hypothetical question. It's a demonstration of the incredible power of compound interest. Imagine starting with just 1 penny. On day 1, it's a penny. By day 2, it's 2 pennies. By day 3, 4 pennies. By the end of 31 days, that penny turns into over $5.3 million. This is the magic of exponential growth through compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Compound interest works like a snowball, gathering more and more as it rolls down the hill of time. It's not just about how much you invest, but how long you let your investments grow. So ask yourself, are you ready to let time do the heavy lifting for your financial future? Don't wait any longer. Start investing today and watch your money grow beyond what you ever thought possible. Take control of your financial journey now, because the best time to start was yesterday, and the next best time is today.